Commodore monitor. 1702. Built-in audio. Pretty cool. I will say the display looks better than what it looks like on the camera here. Let's see if I can switch which mode I'm recording with. Yeah, actually looks pretty good. Volume gets super loud if you really want it to. But as for that, I'm not a professional when it comes to these old monitors, but it's kind of hard to grab it on the... Oh, come on. So, the color looks pretty good. It's not super bright, but... Okay, let's just go through here. So this is the color switch. That's fully up. If you kind of turn it down, it gets black and white. Let's just turn down the volume here. So color is pretty much all the way up. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's the tint. Color pretty close to all the way up. That's brightness. Turn it down, or that's halfway. Now we're on contrast, so contrast, not too bad. And then we got H position and V hold. But yeah, it seems like if you get it too bright, you kind of lose the color. But in any case, not bad for an old monitor. Quick little overview here. I think it's, personally I think it's in pretty good condition for the age and it being a survivor. Just looking at the top here. The top's good, just a little bit of a dinger there. Coming down the side, this dust cover, which these are often missing, it's here, so that's a super big bonus. You got a couple little, that's stuff on top. I think that may clean out. That's a scratch in the paint. Super clean otherwise. Couple little scratches right here. So, oh, there's a scratch up here. Hard to see, but a little bit on the corner. I think from the front side and the sides, this looks pretty awesome. Pretty good condition. Coming around to the back. Model tag, Commodore. 1702, September 1984. I just had a different cable hooked in there. It's got front and rear video and audio selection, which what I would say is, I hooked these up to the front. Red's video. Then White's audio. So the audio goes through it when you got the switch on rear. But if you switch it from rear to front, the video does come through. And the sound.
Before it's too late.
Get ready to party. You can't have a party.
I don't know if it's because I'm looking at a different video, but it seems like the color now is a lot brighter if you have it hooked up in the front. Maybe it's just because it's a different video playing, but there it is. Yeah, and I got this hooked up to an old VCR, not a really good quality one, so it might be better if you had this hooked up to a computer or a Commodore, for what it's actually intended for. Yeah.